Why are there not more people talking about CRISPR? This gene editing marvel is set to change everything. CRISPR is a groundbreaking tool that acts like molecular scissors, allowing scientists to cut and modify DNA with precision. Imagine being able to eliminate genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia, Huntington's, and even predispositions to cancer. We're talking about a future where inherited sicknesses are a thing of the past. But wait, it gets even more mind-blowing. CRISPR could one day slow or even reverse aging by repairing the damage in our cells. Picture a world where living a long and healthy life is not just a dream, but a reality. The technology is still evolving, but the potential applications of CRISPR are limitless. From personalized medicine to enhanced agriculture, this is just the beginning. So the next time you hear about gene editing, remember, CRISPR is not just science fiction, it's the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay innovative, folks.